Kinumpirma ng Department of Tourism Region 1 na nakapagtatala na ang tanggapan ng cancellation of bookings mula sa mga turista sa Rehiyon 1. Ang desisyong ito ng mga bisita, epekto ng nararanasang mataas na presyo ng langis.
Some are saving, some are uncertain, very expensive, tumataas po yung prices of the gas. But most of them are still pushing through, especially the ones who paid already. So it's still for Holy Week, it's still very good. Data is still very good.
Bagamat may pagbaba sa bilang ng turista sa rehiyon, nananatili pa rin umanong fully book ang mga accommodation establishment sa lugar.
Somehow affected with cancellations, but it's not as bad yet. Experience, maybe we can anticipate in the next few weeks we'll really see a drastic change. So kami in the Department of Tourism, we're trying to create fuel-friendly mga tourism circuits to really support the local market. So we're still developing a strategy overall to how we can help our tourism sector. So it will really all depend on the Middle East war.
Sa ngayon, fully booked na ang accommodation sa resort na ito sa Bayan ng Bawang. Kung meron man umanong nagkakansela, agad din itong napapalitan. Pero napansin umano nilang mas maiksi ngayon ang ina-avail na days of accommodation ng mga bisita.
Those families that are visiting the resort for a day stay, just to take a swim for like a couple for like 6 hours maybe, and then they just want to order some foods and then they swim. Those day tours, those bookings we can feel that decreased from last year.
Bagamat pinaghahandaan na rin daw ito ng ilang hotel accommodations, maging sila ay kinakailangan din umanong mag-estratehiya para makatipid sa konsumo ng langis at enerhiya.
We can really feel and we can really see the gravity of this crisis. So we are prepared. We're strategizing, especially for the food. Yung margin kasi ng food will increase. The cost of the food will increase. So our margin will be tighter. So we are getting ready how to work on that. There are some strategies. Suppliers definitely they will increase their prices. But we are sourcing local food.
Joanne Punsoy, Balitang, Solid North.